I'm Matt, I'm the CTO of Greenly. I'm also one of the co-founders of Greenly. So it's been 3 years that we've been building this platform to help companies measure and reduce their emissions. And my role at Greenly is to lead the technical teams to build the best platform to do that and help our clients do this. At Greenly, we're using a very innovative mix of technologies in the way that in the front end, it's a full no-code, low-code tool that we use called Retool. It helps us build very quickly new user flows, new sector-specific flows. And in the backend, it's more standard. It's a full JavaScript technology, so TypeScript, Node, and a REST API. And the combination of us allows us to be very fast and very agile. So the big challenges at Greenly are that we're in a sector and an industry where companies are very different in terms of emission profile. So a food company is going to be very different from a tech company. So we need to develop experiences that can be very modular and adjust to any type of sector. And the other thing is that it's a very fast environment. The regulation is changing very quickly. So we need to be able to build stable tech, but very, that adapts and changes very quickly. So at Greenly, we try to not follow blindly a framework, but try to improve incrementally your approach, step after step. And what we do is every 2 weeks, every month, sit in a retrospective, identify what worked, what didn't work, and keep doing what worked and try to change what didn't work. And all that is by measuring, also trying to measure what we do and trying to aim at pushing the fastest to production while keeping a very good stability. So that's the end goal, and we try to identify what prevents us from doing that. So currently we don't have an open source project, but we are already contributing financially to open source libraries that we use, and we plan to, in the future, to open an ecosystem of applications that could be built on top of our data layer, and that for sure could be an open source project that we would work on. So that's definitely in the roadmap for this year. So if you're passionate about having impact, both impact on the companies that we help reduce their emissions, but also internally on other teams, other indicators, helping teams achieve their objectives, join us. We will really put you not only in a corner doing some technical stuff, but within a transverse team working on an objective, a very ambitious objective. Join us. We will put you on a very ambitious objective around climate change, and that will drive your growth.